FACEVIBE AI Get Analyzed Personality Face Gasser, a growing app. FACEVIBE transforms a single selfie into full-blown personal analysis. Snap a selfie to let our blend of cutting-edge tech and old-school anthropology unlock your hidden story, trace your ancestral roots, conjure an AI perfect portrait of your soulmate, every detail dialed in, pin down your age, uncover the city that feels like home to your soul, reveal the magnetic personality type you effortlessly draw in. So, this is not like a Lux Max or Umax app. Seems like that. This is more like your first impression, your ideal destination, get the vibes. And then here you can then just open it up. And that's the idea. So let's just get started. Select photos, AI analyzes, get insights. No photos will get stored, will full anonymity. And then you just need to choose a few photos and then just basically see the analysis. And that's the idea. So now this is what it is. So that's, and then they just reveal your name, age, and then you can see your roots. Explore your roots. Age, energy, and then where did you slay, spirit, animal, career, path, all of these things. So that's kind of the new app, and then you need to invite friends to unlock. So this is and then that's basically the idea how you're getting these benefits. So feel free to use my code. Here is my code which you can use in here, facevibes.web.app, and then you can just see it in here. So that's basically the idea in here. So that's what it is.